Greetings, River Lady here, and it's time for the much anticipated third episode of the second season of Hydrangea 911. Here we have our little fellow. I think I said he's a male. It doesn't matter. And you can see he's doing remarkably well. He is lush, he is green, but we have no flowers, and I wasn't expecting any. If we come in tight, we might be able to see buds forming at the leaf junctures. Let's see if I can find some. I'm filming and leaning at the same time, so if I tumble forward, bear with me. And, oops. Okay, I'm good, I'm good. The camera person is good. Okay, come on. There we go. I have a couple of buds right there. That might be giving me something this coming spring. And let's go over here. Get the leaves out of the way. And I have something going on right in there. Let's see, let's get you down. There we go, you can see that. I hope that tiny little bud. So yeah, we have some buds on this fellow, or girl, or it. Yay! Okay, so now, since it's the first weekend of August, my pruning shears have been put away. I need to give him a blast of food and then just keep him hydrated through the hot month. It has been very hot, very muggy. My plants are not doing well, it seems, in this hot, muggy weather. My hydrangeas are wilting faster than I can water them because we are on a water ban. But we got rain last night, and it didn't really do much because it's dry right under the plant. So you have to watch your rain. When you do get rain, pull away your mulch to make sure that the rain is percolating. My rain gauge showed that we only got a little under a quarter of an inch, but there's a storm coming, so we might be getting 3 inches tomorrow. But he is dry. I'm sorry, guy. You're not too dry. Let me see. This is a good way to test your soil. Dig in, grab a handful, and see if it balls. Yes, he's dry. But we are getting rain tomorrow, so he's going to have to wait. I will water him, though, a little bit today because I am going to feed him. So I have my flower tone, which I feed my hydrangeas at this time of year because it is built to help encourage blossoms. And I just shake it around the plant. And then work it in. He's in pretty good shape, so I don't have to give him any fresh mulch. So I just push the mulch back in place. And now I'll give him a little bit of water to help water the flower tone in. But not too much because we are getting a lot of rain tomorrow, supposedly. And if we don't, then I'll give him a good watering the next day. And that's it for Hydrangea 911, Episode 3, Season 2. Or should I say Season 2, Episode 3. Season comes before the episode. I'll do one more episode this season as I put him to bed for the winter months. And then next spring, Season 3, oh boy, hopefully we'll have flowers. And that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Please wear a mask when you go out in public. It's the safe and kind thing to do. This is River Lady saying happy gardening. Bye.